Guys, I'm Abhiraj. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crab by origami. So this is what you need: paper and pen. So I'm going to use yellow. So let's take a yellow paper, and yellow. Okay, come on. Yeah. Let's stick to this. So first what you have to do is yep, like that. Okay. Oh. Okay, yeah. Guys, you have to do this. It's all hard work. You did this, right? Now open it. You got this. And now what they have to do is fold this to the opposite side. See what I did? I folded in the opposite side. Okay, once you got this, now guys, you've got this, right? Upper foot. Now you have to just fold this. Yeah. And now, ooh, that's nice. And then the second one. Come on. Yeah. Right. Careful with the second. Okay. You can flip it around if you don't know. Should I? Yeah. Nice. I got it. I got it. Nice. Nice. Now what you have to do is this. Oh. And then the other side. You got one? Now the other like this. Oh, you got it. I got it. And I got the rule to do it. Yeah. That's it. Need square paper for all these, okay? All these videos I made, right? Need square paper. Or else, if you have a rectangle paper, you can just cut them, okay? Like in squares. Yep, like this. I got it. Oh, come on. Yeah, like that. Now, let's see. Final two. What is it? Yep. Whoa. Now fold upside down and do this. Take a bit of it and do it like this. Only a small bit. And do the same thing to the other side. Oh. Don't copy me like just like I did like this, right? Don't copy me like doing this side again. Okay? If you want, you can, but if it's too easy, then you can. Okay, next, what do you have to do? Okay. Just have to do this. Oh. I didn't do that. Yeah. Now it's a fishing wheel. Like a fish. Fishy, little fishy. Fishy, little fish. Yeah. Now you can fold it. Yep. Oh. Okay, now we can unfold this. Fold it. Like that. Yeah. Yep. Like this. And do this. Once you got this right, take it and fold it a little bit like this. Like. You got it? Okay, I'll show you. You've seen this? Now you can see the see? It's not like a crab. Crabby. Take your pen. Like guys. We need to color the whole thing black. And then the other eyes. Look at cute eyes. Does it look cute to you? Nope. It's okay. Looks cute to me like cutie eyes. Baby eyes. See? Cutie eyes. Oh. Make some green here. Oh. Now you can make a smile. If you want to write crab here, you can write crab. Okay? Now crab coming to pinch you. Hey, run away fast. Thanks for watching, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye. Crab says bye.